Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about its approved used Audi Q3 S line S tronic finished in the modern Navarra Blue paintwork. This 2021 model features a 2-litre diesel engine paired with automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, aluminium roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and Q3 badging, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 530-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders. The front houses the multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior and exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort, off-roading, or for any other preferred driving style. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs. This is alongside the central console that features a phone box with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.